Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Isaac the programming guy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to know who viewed your TikTok profile. So guys, TikTok decided to roll out this new feature on TikTok to allow users to know who viewed their profile. Now, this feature was probably released in the month of January 2022, but it's still not yet available for so many users. So TikTok is still working on it to get this feature available across so many countries. So I'm going to be showing you how to use this feature because I just got this feature recently, and then maybe it's available to you or maybe not. So you just have to learn how to use the feature. Then maybe if it gets to you, then you start using it. So the first step to take is to, of course, open your TikTok app. And then once you open your TikTok app, you just have to head straight to your TikTok profile. And then if you just go straight and click on these three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now, if you go to your settings and privacy, you won't find the option to do that right here. So it's not here. You can find the option right here. It's not here. So just go back, and now from here, from your profile, just look at the top of your screen. You're going to find this eyes icon at the top. Now, if you go ahead and click on that, then you'll be able to find your TikTok profile view history. Now, whenever you get a profile visitor, you'll find the person right here. Now, you can only see profile visitors from the past 30 days right here. So right now I have no profile visitor. This is because I started using the feature recently, and probably I haven't gotten any profile visitor. So once I start getting profile visitors, then I'll be able to find them here. So there is this setting icon at the top right corner. So let's click on that and know what we can find there. Now that setting icon can allow you to either turn off this feature. So if you wouldn't like to see your profile visitors or your profile viewers, now you can just go ahead and turn off this feature. And if you turn off the feature, then you won't be able to see your profile visitors anymore. So let me go back to my profile and click on the icon again. Now if I click on it, then it will ask me to turn it on. So if you turn it on, that's only when you can be able to see your profile visitors from the past 30 days. So guys, this is how you can know who viewed your TikTok profile. Now I hope you have this feature available on your TikTok app, but if you don't, then don't worry, TikTok is still rolling out this feature to more users. So very soon you're going to get yours and you start making use of it. Now I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.